Do yoga. Do yoga. Good job. Nice downward dog, Ollie. Very nice. Good job. Now stand up. Now stand up. Stand up. Oh, big stretches. Good job. That's a block. Whoa. You done yoga? Are you done? Uh-oh, you hurt your toady? Your toe? Oh. You do jumps? Jump. You jump? Whoa! Good job! Whoa. Yeah? Good job! Tattoo. Close. Tattoo. Tattoo. Block. Good job putting it away. Cleaning up? No! What are you doing? Oh, you're so silly. Oh, you're silly. Very nice, though. Whoa! Good job. All right. Oscar, be careful.